Detoxing has become a buzzword in the wellness world, with countless products and diets promising to cleanse the body and remove toxins. But how much of it is based on actual science, and how much is just clever marketing? Spoiler alert, your body already has a built-in detox system. In today's fast-paced, health-conscious society, misinformation about detoxing is everywhere. Juice cleansers, detox teas, and extreme diets often marketed as the solution, yet they can do more harm than good. At the same time, hidden environmental toxins and unhealthy habits can place additional strain on the body, leading to fatigue, poor digestion, and skin issues. This video dives into the science behind detoxing, separating the myths from the facts. Stick around to learn what truly works to support your body's natural detox system and actionable ways to reduce toxin exposure in daily life. It's time to get the facts straight and prioritize health the right way. The human body is designed to detox itself, thanks to a sophisticated built-in system that works around the clock. The liver, kidneys, and skin are key players in this process. The liver acts as a filter, breaking down toxins and removing harmful substances from the bloodstream. Meanwhile, the kidneys flush out waste through urine, while the skin plays a secondary role in detoxification by releasing toxins through sweat. The lymphatic system also plays a significant role. It's responsible for draining toxins and waste from tissues and moving them toward the body's detox organs. Movement and hydration are essential to keeping the lymphatic system functioning optimally. Staying active and drinking plenty of water helps keep lymph fluid circulating and waste elimination on track. When these systems are under strain, common signs of toxin overload can appear. Fatigue, persistent skin issues like acne, and digestive discomfort such as bloating or irregular bowel movements may indicate that the body's detox function isn't operating efficiently. Dr. Bruce Lipton's research on cellular health emphasizes that maintaining the body's natural balance is essential for both physical and emotional well-being. By understanding how these natural detox mechanisms work, it becomes clear that supporting the body through healthy lifestyle choices is more effective than relying on quick-fix detox products. Detox myths are everywhere, and it's easy to get caught up in the hype. One common misconception is that juice cleansers can flush out toxins. While they may temporarily reduce calorie intake, extreme cleansers often result in muscle loss, sugar spikes, and nutrient deficiencies due to the lack of fiber and protein. Detox teas and supplements are another popular trend. Many of these products promise rapid weight loss, but often contain laxatives that can cause dehydration and harm the digestive system. Research published in the Journal of Dietary Supplements highlights that these products rarely deliver the long-term benefits they advertise. Another myth is the idea that toxins can be sweated out through excessive sauna sessions or high-intensity workouts. While sweating helps regulate body temperature, the primary detoxification organs are the liver and kidneys, not the sweat glands. A famous example of debunked detox myths comes from actress Jamila Jamil, who openly criticized detox products promoted on social media, pointing out the misleading health claims. By separating facts from fiction, it becomes easier to focus on methods that support long-term well-being. Supporting the body's natural detox system doesn't require drastic measures. It starts with simple, healthy habits. Hydration is key. Drinking enough water helps the kidneys filter out toxins and maintain optimal function. A practical tip is to keep a reusable water bottle on hand and set reminders to drink throughout the day. Nutrient-dense foods also play a crucial role. Fiber from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains helps move waste through the digestive system, while antioxidants from foods like berries and leafy greens protect the liver from oxidative stress. Probiotics found in fermented foods such as yogurt and kimchi help maintain gut health, which is essential for proper detoxification. Movement is another important component. Exercise improves circulation and lymphatic drainage, both of which help eliminate toxins. Practices like dry brushing, using a natural bristle brush to gently exfoliate the skin, can also stimulate lymphatic flow. Actress Jessica Alba is a well-known advocate of maintaining balance through these natural practices. Her lifestyle brand promotes holistic health through clean eating and mindful movement, emphasizing sustainable wellness over quick-fix solutions. By sticking to these proven strategies, it becomes possible to support detoxification in a safe, long-term way. Environmental toxins are all around, often hidden in everyday products. Plastics containing BPA, pesticides used in agriculture, and pollutants in the air can all negatively affect health. Studies show that long-term exposure to these toxins can disrupt hormone balance and increase the risk of chronic diseases. Switching to non-toxic personal care and household products is a simple way to reduce exposure. Using natural skincare, avoiding plastic containers for food storage, and choosing non-toxic cleaning products minimizes harmful chemical contact. Gwyneth Paltrow is a strong advocate for this, having promoted clean beauty and toxin-free living through her wellness brand, Goop. Filtering water and improving indoor air quality, also important steps. Installing water filters reduces the number of pollutants, such as chlorine and heavy metals, while air purifiers help minimize exposure to allergens and toxins. Taking these actions helps limit exposure to environmental toxins, which can reduce inflammation and promote long-term well-being. By focusing on cleaner choices, both inside and outside the home, it becomes possible to create a healthier environment that supports the body's natural detoxification system. Detoxing isn't just physical, it's about mental and emotional balance as well. Digital overload is one of the biggest modern stressors. Excessive screen time and social media can contribute to mental fatigue, anxiety, and disrupted sleep. Reducing screen time, especially before bed, improves mental clarity and overall well-being. Celebrities like Selena Gomez have openly spoken about the benefits of digital detoxes, explaining how taking breaks from social media helped her mental health. Cutting out excess sugar, alcohol, and processed foods is another essential step. These substances put extra strain on the liver and increase inflammation, which can lead to fatigue and weight gain. Actress Jennifer Aniston, for instance, credits her vibrant health to clean eating and limiting processed foods, proving that balance is key. Prioritizing sleep and managing stress are equally important. Quality sleep allows the body to repair itself, while stress management practices such as yoga and meditation reduce cortisol levels. Dr. Matthew Walker's research on sleep underscores how chronic deprivation can weaken the immune system and increase the risk of illness. By identifying and addressing these signs, it becomes easier to create a balanced, healthy lifestyle that promotes both physical and mental well-being. Detoxing the body is less about extreme diets and more about making sustainable lifestyle changes that support long-term health. Begin by hydrating regularly, which helps the kidneys eliminate toxins. Incorporate nutrient-dense, fiber-rich foods and antioxidant-packed meals to support the liver and gut health. Avoid falling for detox myths, like juice cleansers and laxative-based products, which can cause more harm than good. Instead, focus on regular movement, which improves circulation and supports lymphatic drainage. Detox your surroundings by switching to natural household products, filtering water, and improving air quality. On the mental and emotional side, digital detoxes, reducing screen time, and prioritizing rest are vital. Limit processed foods, sugar, and alcohol to reduce inflammation and support the body's natural balance. Small, consistent steps are the key to long-term success. By implementing these expert-backed tips, better energy, clarity, and well-being become attainable. Thanks for watching. Detoxing isn't about quick fixes. It's about supporting your body's natural systems through balanced choices. Every small change matters. Let's continue improving health and wellness one step at a time. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below.